everyone, my name is Jeniussy Agystha Putri with NPM 234-11171 from Kelas Manajemen 23C. So in this video, I will tell you about consumption and savings function. The first one I will talk about is means of consumption and savings. Discussing the function of consumption and savings, it cannot be separated from what is called income. This is because these two things are closely related. Consumption is the activity of using household goods and services with the aim of meeting daily needs from the income earned. Similar to consumption, investment also comes from income. However, the difference lies in use alone. Investments originate from saved income. To make good and correct financial management, it is necessary to understand the function of consumption and saving first. In practice, there are several things that influence the consumption and savings function. These include the economy, wealth, income, interest rates, ability to save, and retirement funds. Next is savings and consumption function. The definitions of savings and consumption functions is as follows. 1. Consumption function. The consumption function is a function that shows or has a relationship between consumption or C and income or Y. And the last is 2. Savings function. The savings function is a function that has a relationship between savings or S and income Y. And the third is consumption function formula. Consumption function is CA plus B times Y. The absolute requirements for the consumption function are: the value of must be positive. The value must be positive. Information. C is national consumption level. A is the amount consumption expenditure when income is zero or autonomous consumption. And B is MPC, namely additional income used to increase expenditure. And the next one is savings formula function. Savings function is Y is C plus S. Y is A plus B, YD plus S. And S is Y minus A plus B times YD. And the last is S is minus A plus 1 minus B YD. The absolute requirements for the savings function are: the value of A must be negative. Value 1 minus B must be positive. The information: S is savings, A is negative savings if income is zero, and 1 minus B is marginal propensity to save, or MPS. And the last is YD, is disposable income. The example of the question saving and consumption formula. The consumption function has the equation C is 15 plus 0,75 YD, and disposable income is 30 billion rupiahs. So, what is the value of aggregate consumption, and what is the balance of national income? So the solution is, if YD is 30 billion rupiahs, then C is 15 plus 0.75 times 30. So the answer is C is 37.5 billion. So the aggregate consumption value is 37.5 billion. Next, YD is C plus S or S is YD minus C. S is YD minus 15 plus 0,75 YD. S is 0,25 YD minus 15. Income balance occurs when S is 0. So 0 is 0.25 YD minus 15. 0 minus 25 YD is 15. YD is 60 billion. C is 15 plus 0.75 times 60 is 60 billion. So the balance of national income is 60 billion. Thank you for listening my presentations. I hope you guys can enjoy it and have fun of it. Thank you.
Tantrums and